Today I'm taking a look at the Rycote Windjammer and the BBG. So here is the windscreen, and we can see if we open it up, I actually put a red mesh material on the inside, and it's properly labeled Windjammer for the BBG. It has a tether so that we can lock that down to the size mic that we have, and it comes with a kind of an interesting little brush that you can actually pack up. That's pretty interesting. So if this is starting to become kind of matted up, we can smooth that out. And here is the BBG. You can see right here it is locked, and if we spin it, we can unlock it. So this by itself can't provide a lot of wind protection, but if you also add this on top, then wind is no longer going to be a problem. You can also see we got a rubber gland here on the inside to make sure that we're going to have a nice fit on our microphone. And that is a nice tight fit for this mic, which is excellent because we don't have to worry about this thing pulling in any extra wind noise from the back. So there we go. And we also have a little bit extra dampening on there as well. So line that back up and then lock it down. And the Windjammer slips on. I want to put it so that the tag is on the bottom. You can put it basically any orientation that you want it. And I'm going to partially snug that up. And I want to put this so it is inside the Windjammer just so it's not rattling around. I'm going to finish tightening that up.